Welcome to another YouTube video. I am sitting on the bed in my room with, you can probably see, a mostly naked mannequin behind me because, ladies and gentlemen, I am going on a photo shoot today. And this is my very first Get Ready With Me video. And you are about to see how I go from weird, naked, androgynous boy to the glamorous creature that you see in front of you. Not really, but this is basically how I get ready every day. This is a little more fancy than what I would wear to work, obviously, because I'm on my way to a photo shoot. And yeah, this involves seeing my strangely androgynous, anti-makeup naked face, probably for the first time ever on camera, which is a little bit scary for me, not because I am against people seeing what I actually look like, if that makes sense, but I just feel like I like being a put together person, you know what I mean? Like the whole complete look. And when you're not wearing makeup, you don't have your hair up, you're not ready to go, so to speak, that is not complete. That is a look that is meant for just around the house, like for my friends and family, and it's a little bit weird to put it on the internet, but anyways, I've always said that I am an advocate of doing things that make you slightly uncomfortable. I think it's good for you to do things that are outside of your realm of comfort and to step outside your box. So that is definitely this for me, and here you go. For the first time ever, ladies and gentlemen, 2018, Missy's naked, no makeup face on camera. Here we go. Okay, so here we are, ladies and gentlemen, my strange naked face for your viewing pleasure. So I always start by putting my hair up because it's terrible and it gets in my face while I'm trying to do my makeup and I hate it. So we rock the 1990s ponytail while we put on our foundation. I like MAC foundation currently because it's the closest to my skin tone. So I also go fairly light on my foundation. Like I don't usually wear it on my whole face. I just kind of like do my eyes and then blend it in with the rest of my face just to sort of, you know, make sure my face matches my body because I'm usually wearing a tank top. So if your face doesn't match your arm color, everything just looks weird. And then I put on eye primer, two different kinds, an all-over sort of eye primer, and then a more localized one to make sure my eyeshadow is bold and bright just the way I like it. This is my go-to eye color, is usually silver and black. Like if I don't know what to do, I'll usually just head for silver and black because it goes with everything. I'm currently using two different colors of silver. There is a bright silver, which is actually a theatrical powder on the inside, and then a dark silver glitter in the middle, which is a Lust Dust by Manic. I am going to list all of the products I used in the description in case you guys are interested because they're kind of winging by the screen really fast and I'm sure you're not getting an accurate look at them. And then on the outside, of course, we put black because, well, black makeup is just the key to most of my makeup, actually. Most of my makeup is like color black. That's the way it works. And then we're blending and blending and blending and blending and blending some more. And when you think you're done, you blend it even more because well-blended makeup is everything in my opinion. This is just a little peachy highlight kind of glitter color that I've had for a million years. I just put it under the brows to sort of, because at this point I have natural eyebrows, which may or may not be a thing in the future, who knows. And then I got makeup on my face, which I usually do, so I just took it off. And then I'm re-putting foundation on the part that I took off because I'm a messy beast when I do my makeup, as when I cook. So, you know, gotta clean that shit up so you don't have like weird Marilyn Manson face all the time. And then eyeliner. This is liquid eyeliner. I believe it's by Bourjois, which is my current favorite. But if anybody has any really great eyeliner suggestions, I am open because I do go through a lot of eyeliner, especially when I get into big eyeliner wings like what I'm doing now. I do find, for me, liquid wears better than pencil, so that's what I prefer. But, oh, look there, I'm flapping my hand around professionally to dry my eyeshadow and eye makeup. And this is just mascara. Even though I'm going to be putting on false lashes, I always put on mascara just because my eyelashes are light and it looks weird if you can see them with the false lashes. Now I'm putting on highlighter. This is Jeffree Star's Crystal Ball highlight that I'm using, and also his contour just underneath there to give myself bigger cheekbones than what I actually have. There's my eyelashes. Eyelashes, yes. So this is well, in my mind, they're reasonable. This is a reasonable sized eyelash. These are not my really, really huge ones, which I break out sometimes, but these are more my everyday style. I thought they suited this look. And burgundy lipstick also goes with everything. This is my very favorite color. It is called Maroon Masquerade by Makeup Monsters. And it is gorgeous. It goes with everything. It's a beautiful dark burgundy, and I love it.
This is how I put my eyelashes on. I use tweezers because my fingers are generally too fat, get in the way, and I can't see anything. So there you go. Makeup done. Now back to messy hair. Here we are, blow dryer, putting up the Death Hawk. If you want to see in better detail how I do this, I did do a tutorial on it, which you can find on my channel. I think it's called Death Hawk Tutorial, something really simple like that. But basically it involves a lot of hairspray, a teasing brush, and a hairdryer, as you can see right now. So tease, 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 spray, 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 blow dry, blow dry, blow dry, and repeat over and over and over again until your hair is stiff and windproof, because the photo shoot today will be outside. So, yeah, we gotta make sure that we don't have a wind sail on top of our head. Here's my outfit, unfortunately in my dark, dark room on the floor, so I have a flashlight to be able to hopefully show you better what it is. We have a fishnet shirt there. That is a leather posture collar from Northbound Leather. There's a lace tank top, a leather corset. Those are 2 gloves, a fishnet one and another one because I can never wear matching gloves. A vintage feather boa, which I found at an antique market. This is my gorgeous Victorian bustle skirt by Gallery Serpentine. And my feet, apparently. So there you go. And lastly, this is a little nose chain. Well, it's actually a rather large nose chain. But it's going to complete the look because I'm never accurately Victorian, I gotta tell you that. It's always sort of like Victorian mixed with weird death rock badassness. Because it suits me and I like it, so why not? Here we are. We are outside now. This is just before the photo shoot started. So this is the outfit complete. So skirt, corset, posture collar, many, many fishnets. The whole thing. You can see it's windy outside. Look at my feather boa blowing around. That's the back of the skirt. The train is in my hand, unfortunately. I couldn't put it down on the ground because it was rather dirty there, but I did put it down when we got to the photos.
So there you have it. Pajamas and no makeup to extreme amount of layered clothes and makeup and lipstick and a lot of hairspray. And yeah, so I'm about to go on my photo shoot. I'm about to go on my photo shoot. And hopefully it goes well. This is a new photographer that I haven't worked with before, but he contacted me and he wanted to, so away we go to our photo shoot, and I hope it goes well. Anyways, if you liked this video, if you liked seeing the process of going from nothing to everything, I suppose, yeah, please give my video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm under Madame_Absinthe. Same thing on Twitter, Madame_Absinthe. Twitter is mostly sewing in progress / weird stuff that happens to me. Instagram is mostly like outfits and stuff, so whatever you like, or both. So there you have it. Follow me on social media. Please like, please subscribe, and hopefully I will be brave enough to make another Get Ready With Me video for you shortly.